R7 3700X, a power-efficient 8-core, 16-thread processor that can be used for anything from gaming to content creation and even streaming. With such a low Tdp output, ultimately yielding less thermals, makes for a great candidate for Mini ITX cases.
Here's the processor. Here's the Wraith spire. It's supposed to light up in the middle. Pre-applied thermal compound. This is a decent looking stock heatsink in comparison to the stock heatsink that came with the R7 1700 in my last build. You have the RGB fan. This cable powers the fan. You have your pre-applied thermal compound, and you have the other cables that control the RGB on the stock fan. Comes with this sticker, booklet, and here's the processor.
If you got a kick out of this video, go ahead and drop a like below. Also consider subscribing for the next video, which is going to be a build using the Gigabyte X570i Aorus Pro Wi-Fi.